welcome back to the channel. My name is Shamika. If you're new here, welcome. Check out some of our playlists. We got a variety of things going on, like I always say, but we're gonna get right into this video because yesterday I was doing like a clean with me. I half attempted to try to figure out some different filming angles and completely just butchered it. So I think I've got it figured out, but I wanted to show you what I mentioned in the video because I was talking to my mom and she was like, well, why don't you just show them? So I am going to teach you how to make your own Oxiclean liquid, the one that you get already pre-made. You can do it at home. If you have just regular Oxiclean, it doesn't matter what kind. This is the purple, but I know there's like yellow, blue, sensitive, green, etc. You can make your own liquid spot treater. You can use it for your upholstery, fabric, rugs, stains, everything like that. So I am going to make a half bottle because the directions on the back, I was reading it and I'm like, I've had Oxiclean for so long and I've never just like picked it up and read, oh, you can make your own upholstery cleaner with it. So I'm like, let's try it, and it actually worked. I was surprised. So I am making a half because I get these little baby bottles. These are 8 ounces. The directions are for 16, so we're gonna modify it just a little bit, but all you need is Oxiclean, water, and a bottle. Preferably a larger one if you want like a decent size amount, but I like to make it fresh like every batch, so I'm gonna do the 8 ounce. So what I suggest is filling your bottle slightly up with water. Okay, I'm just gonna put a tiny bit in here and then I'll flip over so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm filling it up this much with water. And like I said, the directions call for 16 ounces, but we're just going to do that in half. Now, when I was talking to you about using your measurement lines as a way to save money and really like, I don't know, make your laundry products last, I was trying to show you that on the little cups there is measurements. So like right here, this line is going to be line A, and that is what you use to make your liquid. All right, if you were going to make 16 ounces, you would just fill it up to line A and pour it in. We're going to do a little less, obviously, because we're making half. So fill your bottle up with water. Actually, let me swing you around so you can see. I might have to like swing you over to my kitchen sink because if I do drop some, I want to drop it in the sink so I can use it as a cleaner. Hold on. Let me see. Let's get you situated. Ignore the dishes. They're there just like yesterday because I haven't used any more. Okay, we're going to come over here and we're going to do it right in the sink. So, you've got your water. Now, take your little scoop. And I'm like right here, that is about half of line A. All right. And then you also have like 2, 3, 4, etc. like I was talking about. So all you're going to do is take this. And if you want to make like a little paper funnel, you can. And you're just going to pour it in to the water. All right. Now, I know it's tempting to want to shake it, but don't shake it right now. I would suggest to fill it up the rest of the way. Okay, and then we are going to, can you still see? Yep. I am just going to set my top on like that, and I'm going to let it sit just like that overnight. Okay, and the reason I say this is because the first time I made this, I'm like, oh, cool. I was like so excited, and I put it all together and I shook it up real crazy and I just put the top on and I let it sit. And the next day I went to open it and there was like some oxygen or carbonation like buildup because I think there's baking soda in here. So just put your lid on like this, set it in a spot where it's not going to get knocked over. Or technically you could like screw it on, right? Shake it up, kind of spin it around, get that Oxiclean in the water, and then before you go to bed or before you use it, just take the top off and let it sit for a second so you don't get that like burst of Oxiclean, okay? And then you have your own liquid Oxiclean, and you might have to like shake it every time you use it because the sediment will build up in the bottle a little bit, or on the under part, the bottom of the bottle, but that's okay. It's cheaper than going to the store, having to spend $15 on Oxiclean the tub, and then another $12 on the liquid. You can just make one with the other, and you can modify it. If you don't want a lot, if it builds up too much in your first batch, just take down the measurement of the Oxiclean powder that you're putting in there and really figure out what works best for you. But I just wanted to show you that because I thought it was so cool, and I hope that it will help save you money. That was going to be my second tip yesterday, and I totally forgot because I just get going and going and going, and everything just flies away apparently. So try it out. Take this, turn it into this, and have your own spot treatment, carpet stain remover, and upholstery like freshener. I don't know. You can also scrub like little, stains on the couches and that kind of thing. Whatever you want, just try it out, and you'd be surprised at the different DIY things that you can do. You can also, using the same method, well, I don't have another bottle to show you, and I don't want to waste that because I'm actually going to use it. But, okay, say for instance, you wanted to make like a liquid kind of like spray, like fabric freshener. Just do the same thing. Get a little tiny bit of your fabric softener, pour a little bit in the bottle, dilute it with water, and then you can use that to spray on your couches, spray on your bedding, freshen up and spray in the air if you want to, and then it's a scent you like, and you don't have to go out and find like a perfume or a really heavy fragranced item to add on top of the already probably many fragrances that you have at your house between the candles and the fabric softener and the laundry freshener and the cleaning products. Like I said, just make your own. Okay, check out my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow. Man, that list is just getting longer and longer. And I will see you in the next one. All right, love you.